Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are not receiving a Barclays verification code, first start by checking your mobile signal and internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed. Or make sure that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates smoothly. Then make sure that your phone's number is active and able to receive messages. Wait a minute before requesting a new code, as sending multiple requests quickly can delay delivery. Then check your phone settings to ensure messages and notifications are allowed for the Barclays app. In your settings app, search for notification and make sure that you have allowed notification for the Barclays app. After that, restart your phone and request a code again. If the code still does not arrive, log into Barclays online banking using a browser to confirm your details or contact Barclays support for help, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.